Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and we're gonna talk about kind of speculation on what we think is gonna release for Supreme for week 18. I think at this point we probably are at the final or week before last for Supreme. This is gonna be releasing on the 23rd, and we have a couple things confirmed for this week that I do want to go over in this quick ass video for y'all. Aside of that, I do got a couple things for sale. These are big boy sizes, literally 2XL. Yes, you heard it here first. I can't fit these. I can't wear these no more. It's this FTP vest that has this American flag upside down on the back. It's like a cargo vest. Honestly, this is hard. I'm not gonna lie, but it's too big for me. So honestly, I gotta let it go. This is probably gonna be up for a pretty decent price. If you are interested in it, let me know. DM me on Astro Bodega, and I might also put this on the story or whatever. 80 bucks probably, some shit like that. 70. I don't even know how much this shit went for. I'm gonna try to go back. Literally lightly used, bro, like 2 to 3 times type shit. But we also got this Lyrical Lemonade hoodie right here, which does have that big Lyrical Lemonade FTP on the back. Honestly, it's not bad. It's just way too big. Again, 2XL. It's probably like 90, 100 bucks. I don't know how much I bought it for, but probably right near what I bought it for. Big logo on the back. And last, we got the McDonald's apple pie Cactus Jack collab. Right here, we got the puff print. Let me know if you're interested in these. I'm probably gonna list them on my eBay. It will be linked in the description. But yeah, McDonald's Travis Scott Cactus Jack 2XL, all these pieces, probably like 100 again. But yeah, for week 18, we got a Dickies collaboration, which we got the homie right here wearing the fucking overalls that are quilted. You can see in his face that he's like, yo, what the fuck do I got on right now? I don't know if that's just me, but the vibrations I'm getting from homie face is like, bro, what the fuck is this? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully the other pieces aren't this. I definitely like the Dickies work jackets and shit like that. That vibe go hard, or the carpenter pants, I think they're called, with the second panel and shit like that. You feel me? Those go hard. But like these right here, I don't know, bro. I don't know what they was thinking with this one. This shit is not it. This is not it. Like, it's just not my vibe. So we definitely gonna skip on that shit. But we got the Kubrick releasing this week, which might be the item that I go for, to be honest. This shit is hard. This shit is hard. That shit on the shelf somewhere, I feel like honestly that shit anywhere looks fire. So I'm definitely interested in picking this item up. Hopefully retail isn't fucking out the ass. I know that bear bricks are kind of expensive, but I just hope it's not like $300, you feel me? Because if it is, then I'm gonna have to take a seat and it's gonna be honorable, you feel me? Like, I'm relaxed. I'm trying to get some Rick on Ramones right now. Like, I'm on a whole new different level. Do not forget to leave a like on this video if you do end up enjoying. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. There's currently a giveaway that I'm starting. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put the Gleam link in the description. I'm giving away a Supreme beanie, mini Supreme playing cards, and 5 box logo stickers. All you have to do is subscribe, and hey, you get bonus points for following Nori Archives. You don't have to, but you do get extra points for sharing it and doing that. So we got Supreme Dickies collab this week. We got the Crow Bear Brick releasing this week, or the Q Brick, whatever y'all want to call it. And we also got fall tees. Fall tees, bro. Hopefully they're fire. Hopefully they don't drop the ball. I already know that there's probably not gonna be a box logo, unfortunately. That shit is heartbreaking. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Yes, that shit hurts, especially for us who didn't hit on a BOGO hoodie. It is what it is though. At the end of the day, there might not be a box logo hoodie, but I do know that there's gonna be at least a couple tees that are fire in that bitch. So hopefully we are able to hit on those. And hey, it is what it is. We don't even have any leaks for none of the tees as of this point. Honestly, I wasn't even gonna make this video for y'all, but I was like, fuck it, bro. Might as well do something, because we got something. We just don't got everything. So whenever we have the full drop list, I'll make a video on that. Yo, this just in, it's not even about Supreme, it's about Bape doing a collab with Jound. I don't know exactly how to say it, but it's Jound, you feel me? You know what I'm talking about. They're doing a Bapesta collaboration. That shit is fire. It's like a white and neutral gray, ever so subtle, with the Bape on the side. Shit's nasty, bro. If I could get my hands on these, definitely will. They just teased it, and honestly, this shit released like what? They just teased it not that long ago, but these shits look fuego, bro. I just wanted to say that just before we got out this video. If y'all enjoyed this little update for the Supreme release, I guess, make sure you leave a like on this video down below. Subscribe to the channel. You might as well, bro. There's a Gleam link at the top of the description for the giveaway that's going on right now. All you have to do is click it and follow the instructions, and you will be entered to win the beanie, the mini playing cards, and the 5 box logo stickers. So make sure you run that shit up. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.